Welcome to your quick start lesson on how to install System.io funnel templates and how to start editing them.
This quick start video is going to show you how to open a system account, how to import the template, opening up and where to edit, and how to start editing the Canva files and any graphics. More detailed instructions are underneath, but for this video, I'm just going to go through the basics with you. The first thing I'd like you to do is return to the email that you got from me. You'll need some of these instructions and links here. Step 2 is to log into your system account or create one if you don't have one. System.io is awesome software that is completely free to start with. You don't even need a credit card to start. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see something like this. This is your dashboard. If you go up to websites and down to sales funnels, this is where your new funnel template will appear. Returning to your email, on number 3, click this link to import your new funnel. Funnel has been added to your account just like that. It should appear as quick as that. If for any reason your funnel hasn't appeared, it may be that you have too many other pre-existing funnels and you're on a free plan. In that case, you can temporarily deactivate any funnels that you're not using and allow this one to be imported. To open and start editing on your funnel, you can click on the name. Our first page here is the sales page. If you view the funnel, you'll actually see it exactly how the demo was viewed on my website. It should look exactly the same. All the pictures, all the text, everything has been imported into your own account, so you can go through and start editing it. One of the first things I like to do is rename the funnel address, the URL path here. This is the address of the main domain name that you've selected. System.io will give you a free one, and then you just give it a name after that. So it can be my course or whatever you want the link to be when you send it to people. Just click anywhere on the page and that little green tick will appear, and that means that it has saved that name for you. To share this link with people, you can click on that link and it copies it to your clipboard so you can easily paste it into messages or emails. Now that you've got the name set up, we can go ahead and edit the page. The editor looks like this. It's very simple to use. It's pretty much what you see is what you get. You can start typing anywhere and the style will stay the same. You can replace the images by clicking on them. This sidebar here on the left changes. You can upload other photos, insert pictures, change the size until it looks okay for your design, and go down the page editing anything that you need to change for your own business. So you'll be changing the text, the name, potentially the pictures. When you get to something like this, this is being designed in Canva, and I give you a template for that to edit. So you can go over here to your help instructions and click on step 4, your Canva files here. Open. This will import an exact copy of this design into your own Canva file. You can use the template. This is a copy for you. You can go ahead and edit this and it won't change the original on my end. This is like a little smart frame kind of setup. So you can drag on photos or images onto this page and they'll just snap into that area. See how this goes? So click and drag. So you would have maybe screenshots from the products that you're selling and you can drag them in there and it'll look exactly the same as the design on the website. To get it from here onto your website, you would go up to Share, Download. Instead of downloading all the pages, you want to just download the current one. So untick all and tick current. Done. Download. And that will start downloading to your computer. Now you can return to System.io, click on the image you want to change. Over here on the left, select file, or you can drag on your download like that. Insert, and it should replace just like that. Save your changes. Go ahead and change everything on the page to suit your business and your setup. All these buttons automatically take you to the next step. You don't need to change that. You can add a video if you have one behind the scenes, and that is your first page ready to go. As you can see, there's multiple pages here for each page of the design, and you'll need to go through each of these and change what's written on the pages to suit your business. You'll also need to set up the automation rules for your order form. So you would set up your digital product down here, and I'm going to go further into all that step-by-step instructions in another video.
Your funnel template is now installed and you've started editing your sales page. I'll see you in the next video.